Today we are going to learn the poem Raindrops. Do you like to play in rain? Here is a little girl like you. She also likes to play in rain. She is talking with raindrops. What is she talking with raindrops? Let us see. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Peter, patter, down the window pane. Tell me, little raindrops, is that the way you play? Peter, patter, all the rainy day. I sit here at the window, I have nothing else to do. Oh, I wish that I could play this rainy day with you. The little raindrops cannot speak, but Peter, patter, pat means we can play on this side. Why can't you play on that? Now read aloud the following sound words. Peter, patter. Pring, pring. Zoom, zoom. Bow, wow. Ding, dong. Beep, beep, beep. Wah, wah, wah. Now tell me what other words come to your mind on reading each word. Write them down. Peter, patter. Rain, raindrops, water, little. Pring, pring. Mobile, bell, cycle, ringtone. Zoom, zoom. Rocket, engine. Bow, wow. Dog, wake up. Ding dong. Bell, dance. Beep, beep, beep. Horn, bus. Wah, wah, wah. Baby crying.